Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering the Chromebook off and unplugging it. This prevents shorts and accidental boot. Once done, flip it over and remove visible screws. Keep them organized so reassembly is easy. Use a plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom cover along the seam. You don't need force, just steady pressure to release clips. You do this now because gaining safe, full access to the battery area is essential for the remaining steps. Once the bottom cover is off, locate the battery and the small multi-pin connector to the motherboard. You should visually note its orientation. Carefully use the spudger to lift the connector straight up. Do not tug on wires, because pulling sideways can damage pins. Next, remove the screws securing the pack. Keep track of screw lengths since they may differ. After screws are out, lift the battery from its bay with both hands, making sure ribbon cables. You finish by placing the battery back into its compartment and aligning screw holes. Snug screws without over-torquing to avoid frame damage. Once done, reconnect the battery connector firmly and visually confirm it's fully seated. This ensures proper contact and charging. Then replace the bottom cover and reinsert screws. If the Chromebook doesn't power on, make sure the connector is seated and no cables were pinched. If still failing, try a different charger to isolate charger versus battery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.